Hi everyone! Imagine a world where creating viral short videos in any niche, be it horror, true crime, or motivation, takes just minutes, not hours. Sounds impossible?
Wow.
What if I told you that there's an AI tool that can handle everything from start to finish without you even lifting a finger? If you're tired of juggling school, work, and content creation, this tool could be your game changer. No more late nights editing or wrestling with complicated software. Today, on High Tech AI Hub, I'm revealing the secret weapon that's set to dominate the faceless content world. It's called Auto Shorts, and it's about to transform the way you create videos for YouTube and TikTok. Stick around, because what you're about to see could free up hours of your time and skyrocket your content game. Let me tell you why this AI tool is so powerful. This AI handles everything from script writing, image generation, and editing to uploading your videos to your channel with titles and descriptions. Basically, you don't have to worry about anything. The amazing part is that all videos generated by this AI tool are unique and new, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. When it comes to monetization, this is a huge advantage. You cannot use copyrighted or reused content. Auto Shorts will generate unique and new videos every time you create a video with Auto Shorts AI. You can manage several YouTube and TikTok channels without any stress or workload. So let's see how this AI works. First, you need to sign up for this AI. You can sign up for free. They offer 3 plans. The first one is the starter plan, where you can upload 3 videos per week and it's only $19. Then we have the daily plan, which is $39 and allows you to upload 1 video per day. Finally, there's the hardcore plan for $69, where you can upload 2 videos per day. You don't have to pay for the whole year like with other tools. You can just try it for a month and see the results. I would recommend the daily plan because for $39, you can get 30 videos a month. With 30 videos, you can easily achieve 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to buy this plan, use the link in the description. If you're looking to manage several YouTube channels at once, you have the series option. With this feature, you can create multiple series. For example, let's say you have 2 channels, one for motivational videos and another for horror stories. You can use this option to make 2 series, one for motivation and the other for horror stories. This way, you can manage 2 YouTube channels simultaneously. Now, let's create a video using this tool and see whether it's actually worth it or not. First, you will come to this page. Here, you can connect your YouTube or TikTok page to this AI. When your video is completed, this AI will upload the video to your connected YouTube channel. If you don't want to do that, you can simply select the email option and they will email the final output to you. I'm going to select the email option because I prefer to upload the video myself. Next, with this drop-down menu, you can select your niche. As you can see, they have included all the trending niches: scary stories, motivation, random stories, funny stories, philosophy, and much more. You can even enter your custom niche and they will create a video for it. For this example, let's try a scary story video. I'm going to select scary stories from the list. The next part is to select a suitable AI voice for our video. This is the only downside I've seen in this AI. It only has a few AI voices, but I hope they will add more soon. Since our video is about a scary story, we must select a deep, fitting voice for a horror story. So I think this voice would be suitable. I will select it. Remember to choose a good voice because voiceovers play a huge role in going viral on YouTube or TikTok. Next, you will choose the style for your video. AutoShort has many styles. I will choose this style. You will choose the video size at this step. I will choose 9 divided by 16 because I want to create short videos for YouTube Short and TikTok. Then you can select a preferred language. As you can see, they offer around 20 languages. So if you are planning to target an audience from a specific country, you can use this option to change the language of the video. If you want to target an international audience, use the English language. Now we need to select the duration of this video. If you plan to upload these videos to both TikTok and YouTube, I recommend selecting a duration of 30 to 60 seconds. That's all, guys. Once you enter all this information, you can create your video. After this process is completed, click the Create a Series button and it will start generating the video series. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes to generate your video. While your video is generating, you can see all the information here, including the title and the full script of your video. Now, let's see the final result of this AI. As you can see, they have even created a thumbnail for this video. Let's play it.
Every night as darkness enveloped the house, Clara heard a soft whisper beckoning her name. At first, she dismissed it as a product of her imagination, a figment conjured by the shadows. But the voice grew more insistent, weaving through her dreams, pulling her towards the window. One night, curiosity overcame her fear. She approached the glass, heart racing. "Clara, come to me," it urged, softer than a breeze, yet colder than ice. Compelled, she opened the window, the chill wrapping around her. Suddenly, the whisper turned sinister. "I'm waiting for you inside." Panic surged as she turned to her room, only to find her reflection grinning back at her, lips moving in unison with the voice. She screamed, but the laughter echoed, drowning her cries. Silence fell.
Wow, I didn't expect that result at all. If you saw my previous videos, you probably have a clear idea of how hard it is to create AI images that match a video script, but this AI tool has nailed it. All the images I saw in that video are perfectly matched to the script, and the captions have been generated with a cool style and smooth sliding animations. It's perfect. Most importantly, they use zoom in and zoom out transitions for the images, and the transitions between the images are also perfect. Finally, they added background sound effects to match the transitions, which has improved the quality of the video. Let's say you don't like the story or the script of this video. If you click this small button, you can create a completely new script for the video. Now, let's create another video for the motivation niche and see the result. This time, I'm going to create a motivational video, so I'll select the niche as motivation and make sure to choose a suitable AI voice. I think this first voice would be good for a motivational video, so let's select it. I'll choose English as the language and create the video. As you can see, they've made this video with an amazing script and a cool thumbnail. Let's watch the video.
Good morning, you fierce warriors of the world. Today, I want you to embrace every damn challenge thrown your way. Why? Because those hurdles are not barriers. They are the very fuel that ignites your unbreakable spirit. When life hits hard, don't crumble. Stand tall, grit your teeth, and let that fire within you burn brighter. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. When you face adversity, remember that you are tougher than any storm. Seek out challenges, dive into the chaos, and rise like the phoenix you are. Today, declare to the universe, I am unstoppable. I will not bow to fear or doubt. I will transform pain into power and shine like the badass I am.
I think the images they've used in the voice are great, but the only issue I'm noticing is that they've used complicated words and sentences in the script. If they had used simpler and more natural language, the video would be 100% perfect. But it's fine. You can always change the script if you don't like the current one. So, if you use this AI, you can speed up your video uploading process, especially if you are someone who does not have much time to edit videos. This is a good tool for you. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.